good
Hello,
morning.
good
Hello.
morning.
My name is Mili Sharma, and today I'm your nurse for your cardiac assessment. And may I know your name, please?
Navjot Kaur,
Okay, and what's your date of birth?
22 February 1993.
Okay, and now I wanna ask some couple of questions for you regarding your symptoms. And what chief complaints do you have?
I have a chest pain from last 3 to 4 days.
Okay, and could you tell me, please, the exact location of that?
In the left side of the chest here, I feel a severe pain
Okay,
sometimes.
and does it radiates or not?
Yeah, it's radiate from shoulder to left hand.
And how does it feels like?
It feels like a crushing pain.
Okay, and what makes it better?
When I'm lying down, then it feel like it's normal.
You relax or
Yeah, I feel
better?
relaxed and
Okay, and when it started?
uh,
Morning or evening
it's
time?
usually start in the morning when I wake up.
Okay, and how often does it happen?
It's never happened earlier.
It's
It's
your
the first
first
time.
time?
Yeah, first time.
Okay, and if I'm gonna tell you the rating, then how much you will give it? From 0 to 9?
To my pain,
Yeah, to your pain.
okay, it's like 7 to 8.
In between 7
Yeah,
to
it's,
8.
it's a worst
Worst
chest
pain.
pain. Yeah,
Okay.
that's why I came here for the treatment.
Okay, thank you. And what do you think it means? Do you think it's your last day and you got a heart attack?
Yeah,
Anything?
when I have a chest pain, I feel like I'm gonna die, and it's the last day of my life.
No, it's never
Yeah.
gonna happen. This.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And do you have any difficulty in breathing or any fatigue, tiredness?
Yeah, during chest pain, I feel difficulty in breathing. And
Any activity intolerance?
yeah, I feel tiredness.
When you do heavy lifting work?
Yeah, when doing any hard work or the extra work.
Okay. And could you please show me your hands?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, could you please turn this? Okay, thank you so much. I observed that there is no cyanosis, means there is no exchange of colors. It's
Okay.
good. It's a good sign of your good condition.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And there is any cardiac history, your previous cardiac history?
Not.
Not
It's
yet?
the first time.
Okay,
I
and
feel
any
any
family
chest pain.
cardiac history?
Yeah, my father is suffering from a myocardial infarction from last 1 year.
Okay, and did you took any medication before, any supplements or any?
Yeah, I
Medication.
usually take a multivitamins for the energy.
Not
Because
any
I
other
feel
supplements?
I feel tiredness. That's why I took multivitamins.
Okay, and do you have any history of drinking, smoking?
No,
No?
I'm not taking anything like smoking and drinking.
Okay, and do you have any allergic to any medication or anything?
Yeah,
product?
I have allergy from wheat and
So
the wheat
you
products.
don't use that one. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for your assessment. Next, I will perform your cardiac assessment procedure on you. That will take some time.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Hello, Navjot Kaur.
Hello.
Now I'm going to perform the cardiac assessment. Before I took the health history of your symptoms, and now I have to perform the procedure. Can I do?
Yes.
Thank you so
Sure.
much. I did my hand washing and I put my PPE on due to the safety purpose, and I have to check, inspect, palpate and auscultate your chest for the S1, S2 sounds and also for the volume and pitching purpose.
Okay.
I have to check your valves with the diaphragm and with the well also.
Why you check with the both sides?
With the diaphragm it's good for the high pitch sound, and with the bell I have to listen the low pitch sounds.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
clarification.
Thank you. Firstly, I will check the aortic valve. Aortic valve is present at the second intercostal space at the right sternal edge here, and the second is the pulmonary valve, which is present at the second intercostal space at the left sternal edge, and the third one is tricuspid valve, which is present at the fourth intercostal space, second, third, fourth, and last one is the mitral valve, which is present at the fifth intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. This one is the clavicle, and from the middle of the clavicle, it's a mid-clavicular line to the fifth intercostal space. Here is a mitral valve, and here is also apical pulse. And the apical pulse, I have to listen for 1 minute for the S1 sound. And now I have to perform this procedure with the help of a bell also. First, I have to listen the aortic valve, which is present at the second intercostal space at the right sternal edge, and second is the pulmonary valve, which is present at the left sternal edge at the second intercostal space, and third is the tricuspid valve, which is present at the fourth intercostal space at the left sternal edge, and fifth one is the mitral valve, which is present at the mid-clavicular line at the fifth intercostal space. And this is all about the auscultation. And now I have to inspect and palpate your anterior chest. In the inspection, there is no cyanosis, no lesions, no any skin changes, no previous surgery or any suture. And now I have to palpate the apical impulse, apex and the base, and also the left sternal edge. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Thank you. Here is the apical impulse at the mid-clavicular line to the fifth intercostal space. This one I have to palpate for 1 minute. Put pressure 1 to 2 centimeter in deep, and observe the pitch or any volume, thickness also. And next is the S1 sound. S1 sound mostly arises from the apex of the heart, and S1 sound is also known as the love sound. It mostly occurs when the tricuspid and mitral valve are closed. Here is the S1 sound. And here is the base of the heart, and the base of the heart we have to listen the S2 sounds, which is also known as the dub sound, and it mostly occurs when the aortic and pulmonary valve are closed here. And next is the left sternal border. Left sternal border is present at the second intercostal space at the left side of the sternal edge. Here is the left sternal border. This is all about your inspection, palpation and auscultation. Thank you so much, and this should be confidential and for the privacy purpose. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.